Because of the need to take pictures, it has been placed for more than 10 minutes. It is still very firm and has not shrunk. Listen to its crispness. Still very crispy. Satisfied with the effect. Watch the production process together. Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I will share with you fried shrimp balls. This time I used frozen shrimp to make it, which is more convenient. You can also use fresh shrimp to make it, the effect is better. But the process will be more. It is recommended to choose large-sized shrimp, which is more refreshing. In the video, the size of the shrimp is already the minimum requirement. Shrimp are small in size and less elastic. The bigger the shrimp, the better the elasticity. This time only 450 grams is enough. Just one flush is enough. Thaw at room temperature. Do not soak in water, otherwise the meat quality will deteriorate. Set aside to thaw. This is pig fat. Cut it into small particles. As in the video. Prepare the egg white of an egg. Wait for the shrimp to thaw before processing. After the shrimp is thawed, pat it flat. It will be very sticky after being patted flat. Lightly chop with the back of a knife. Seasoning. 450 grams of shrimp meat. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon chicken powder. Pinch pepper. Small amount of sesame oil. 2 teaspoons cornstarch. Stir clockwise to increase its viscosity. Stir well. Add other ingredients. Add pig fat. Add half an egg white. Save half for other uses. Mix it well. After mixing well, smash it hard. Why does dropping it increase elasticity? When you drop it, the air inside is forced out. With fewer air bubbles, it will be firm and more elastic, otherwise it will be softer. Take the steamed meat pie as an example. If you want it to be soft, don't throw it. To make the shrimp balls firm and refreshing, you must throw it more than a dozen times. Throwing it a dozen times is enough. Flatten it. Do not cover, do not wrap plastic wrap. Put directly in the refrigerator for an hour. The refrigerator will dry it some more. Make the effect better. Handle it in an hour. After an hour, remove from the refrigerator. Coat with egg whites and breadcrumbs. Make it into a small ball. Dip in egg white, then coat in breadcrumbs. The whole shrimp ball is covered with breadcrumbs. As in the video, the oil temperature should not be too high. About 150 degrees, turn to minimum fire. Deep fried 8 shrimp balls for demonstration. This time the shrimp balls are bigger. Scoop off excess breadcrumbs. Push it lightly. Heat it evenly. It floats doesn't mean it's fried. The shrimp balls are bigger this time. Fry them on low heat for 4 minutes. Then turn to high heat and fry for 2 minutes. A total of 6 minutes of frying is enough. Turn up the heat. Fry for 2 minutes. Stir it, let it heat evenly. The color will be uniform. You can shorten the time if you are making smaller shrimp balls. Scoop up, drain. Put them on plate. Today's fried shrimp balls are finished. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.